Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Ajax product filter for WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So simply, first we need to go to the plugins so we can acquire the plugin for the Ajax filter. So here I'm just going to click on add new plugin and simply I'm just going to type ETH and simply we can just wait for the search result to appear so we can have these products or this plugin. And now I'm just going to search for the Ajax product filter and now we can click on this one. And basically from here you can just go to screenshots and we can see on how we can start using these filters. So I'm just going to click on install now and I'm just going to wait for the install process to finish. And basically after that we will be needing to activate this plugin. So here now that it has been installed, I'm just going to click on activate and WordPress will be refreshing and now we should have the ETH that has been added. So now we need just to go to the Ajax products filter and now we can start adding or creating our own filter presets. So basically here some general option if you want to have some lazy filter loading, that means a pre-loading before even the user click on the filter so you can have more speed for your website, etc. So I'm just going to click on add the preset and now you can name the preset on however you like and now you can start adding your filters. So basically you can start filtering by brand and you can choose by which term that you want to filter. For example, you have a brand that is called B1 and now you can add B1 in into the choosing term and you can choose on how it is the filter type. So either will be a filtering using labels or some checkbox that you can start checking until you have your filters, etc. Also, now it shows you the term options that you have used, and basically let's suppose it is a select, and now you can also have some multiple selections, so you can have a multi-filtering, and you can start adding as many filters in your presets. So when you finish, you will need just to click on save the preset, and you will have it added to your products page or to your store. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.